boys and girls, do I have a story for you? I've been recording a yummy unleavened bread recipe for you to do with your parents before Monday, Thursday. Well, it didn't record. It's okay though, it's fine. I am still gonna continue to show you what to do. The list of ingredients are in the description below, as well as the link where I found the recipe, and it tells you step by step how to do it. Okay, so I am going to show you the ingredients that I used. Let's see how this goes. So I used 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 8 tablespoons of honey, 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 egg, and 5 cups of flour. Again, the list of ingredients are in the description section below. So what I did is first I washed my hands, I cleaned my area, and then I put all the ingredients into this pan. I then kneaded it until the dough was elastic. The final result should look like this. Out of the big dough, I made small dough patties, like this. You're gonna need a pan for this. While you're preparing the ingredients, make sure that you turn the oven on to 400 degrees. Make sure that your parents do it, alright kids? Now I'm gonna spray cooking oil on the pan, and then I'm going to be putting the patties. Now you're gonna be needing a fork. I have a chopstick, so I'm gonna be using this. And you're gonna be poking holes on the patty, like so. Now with the magic of computers, I'm gonna put it in the oven, and when I snap my finger, it'll be ready. 1, 2, 3. They're ready! Ooh, a little bit warm. So what I'm gonna be doing is I'm going to be putting them in the fridge for tomorrow. Make sure that you guys have your leavened bread for tomorrow's video, for Monday, Thursday. Alright, that's all for today. I love you guys. I miss you. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like the video too. And I will be seeing you tomorrow. Okay, the video is gonna go out at the same time, 6:30 p.m. Love you guys. Bye.